In an ever-changing, fast-paced social media world, innovation is essential. People today trade their attention for attractive content with the motive to inform, equip, and entertain themselves. Popcorn Fridays provides that and more. Our mission is to create a safe space for young people to advance their skills locally without having to move to bigger cities. We're not just a cinema session on Fridays, we're a social movement consisting of filmmakers, animators, graphic designers, web designers, digital and social media specialists who each contribute their expertise under the Popcorn Fridays movement. We work with partners like Zish Creations to mentor school children who wish to pursue a career in the media space. The film value chain is one that has been identified and proven as a catalyst for economic growth. Currently, the Eastern Cape is under-resourced and underrepresented within this sector, notwithstanding the economic potential that this sector presents. As pioneers of the East London media industry, our vision is to develop talent, train young filmmakers, grow the Eastern Cape film participation, optimize existing efforts towards advancing the nation in the international film industry. Our aspiration is to become giants in the industry and create economic spin-offs by attracting film investments which will address socio-economic challenges that currently exist within the province. All of this can be possible with financial support from stakeholders who share the same vision as us.